Hi guys, this is Market Watch with another educational video. Today we're gonna talk about head and shoulders pattern. Very useful formations, especially in a combined with different patterns, downward channels, upward channels. Actually, let me show you an example right here. We have Call Atlantic Group, materials and construction stack. As you see here, let me get rid of this thing. First, you have here the downward. Well, let's start with overall explanation how the head and shoulder looks like. So we have, let's say, we have a price. Price goes up, down, up. All right. So this is let's draw a neckline here. Boom. Sometimes you may have a slanted you may have this is the regular head and shoulders. Sometimes you may have slanted head and shoulders. Let's make it a little bit slanted head and shoulders. So as you see here, um, you have one shoulder here. You have uh, you have shoulder here, you have head here, there's shoulder here. Usually what happens, the price usually breaks down. Oh my God. The price breaks down below the headline. And now, if you want to say how low the price will go after breakdown from the neckline, you just simply need to take this distance from the neckline to the head. And if you take this distance, you can simply measure it to the neckline. You go here. Okay, and this is how low usually price go. Okay. After a breakdown. So you may see something like this, and usually price goes up back to the headline, which becomes it was support, now it becomes resistance. But you have this distance, which is what is important to measure how low price go after breakdown from the neckline. So let's get back to our example. You have here downward channel. Actually, let me show you something here. You have, I just noticed another head and shoulder pattern within the downward channel. As you see here, this is a slanted head and shoulder. We have a breakdown, which is kind of unusual because we rarely see the breakdowns from the downward channel. Usually the downward channel breaks to the upside. So we have breakdown. We can try to kind of measure it, but here, yeah, you see exactly the distance, how low the price go. Then we go to the upward channel, but this is actually the head and shoulder I want to show you here. We have a neckline, we have left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakdown, and as you see here, exactly the same distance. This is how low the price went down, and then we back to the neckline, which became the resistance. All right, I hope it helps. This is all as far as